Hi all, welcome back. So today we're doing a very interesting topic. I know this topic has been quite famous. I have done multiple series of this. So today we come up with 5 new words to help you score better in IELTS. Before we start the session, a big shout out to Unacademy, as a lot of you want to attend my live classes, want to be taught by me live, and I teach live on an Unacademy platform, India's largest online platform for entrance exams. I have already done a detailed video. The link is here to understand how to subscribe to it, and you can also find the link in the description box. Use my referral code MANJITAOSTA to save 10%. Yes, every penny saved is penny earned. So save your 10%, get 10% discount, and that's about it. You will be a champion. There are different packages you can take it, and you can come and attend my live classes and I will clear all your doubts. It's a live session which goes on every day by a lot of educators, not just me, but I want to see you around. Attend my classes. Let's start with our session today. We are talking about 5 power-packed words, vocabulary, which will help you score better in IELTS, and not only in IELTS, in any form of entrance exams, which is in English, and also in job interview. You can use it for your meetings, presentation, impress people, and also increase your vocabulary bank. Isn't that amazing? Let's start with our very first word. The first word is abundance. 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 It basically means when you want to express something in a greater number, like a lot of, tons of, then you use the word abundance. For example, you can say, I have abundance of choices. This place has abundance of reading material, abundance of shops, abundance of cuisine, abundance of wildlife. If you're wishing someone, you can say, I wish you abundance of joy and happiness. So now you know how to use the word abundance. Now let's move on to our next word. Bedazzled. Bedazzle. If you're using it in a past tense, you can say bedazzled, but the word is bedazzle. It basically is used when you are describing something which is awestruck, like you are completely captivated by the beauty of it. Then you use the word bedazzle. For example, you can say the painting, the place, holiday destination, lake, scenery was so attractive that I was bedazzled. You can also say something like, many people are bedazzled by fame. The lights bedazzled me. The audience was bedazzled by her charm. Bedazzle. It's a beautiful word. Do use it from now. Let's move on to our third word. Predicament. Predicament. Well, the spelling is P-R-E, but we pronounce it as P-R-I. Pre, not pre. Predicament. Predicament. It basically is a very embarrassing situation, difficult or an unpleasant one. The sentence could be, I suddenly found myself in an awkward predicament. She went to the office to explain her predicament. He hasn't realized his predicament yet. So it's a very embarrassing and a difficult situation. Predicament. Predicament. Alright? Let's move on to the next word. Encapsulate. 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 It basically means to summarize or to outline or to recapitulate. Encapsulate. So when you're using, especially in your third part or even in your second part, when you want to say, so to summarize, you can say to encapsulate. So that's how you have to use this word, encapsulate. For example, a sentence could be, it was difficult to encapsulate the entire story into 1-hour documentary. Or the words of the song beautifully encapsulate the feelings of the songwriter or the feelings of the protagonist. Well, encapsulate can also be used for something like enclose, when you want to enclose something. So you can use that it would cost around 4 million to encapsulate the hollow rods with lead. Enclose it. Enclose. So encapsulate. So the two meanings, I have shown you both of them. So you can use it wherever it's relevant and correct. Okay? Let's move on to the last word. Impasse. Impasse. So the spelling is I-M, but we don't say im. We say am, like A-M. Impasse. Impasse. It basically means a situation which is a deadlock. Like there is no progress possible beyond that. Impasse. A sentence could be, the political process is at an impasse. Means there can't be any other progress. It's at a deadlock. Another sentence could be, the negotiation seems to have reached an impasse as none of the teams are ready to compromise. This means it's a deadlock. Well, that's all. We've got all the 5 beautiful, lovely vocabulary. Please write it down. Learn the pronunciation, record yourself. I told you how you have to practice. Look into a mirror, talk to yourself in the room, talk aloud. And then when you're confident to go use these words out in the world, you can use it at school, college, your meetings, office, friends, family. Practice is the mantra. Do not forget that you are my rock star and you will be a champion soon. I guarantee that. So don't worry, keep practicing. Go and subscribe to Unacademy. Come attend my live classes. The link is below. Do take the 10% discount with the referral code of MANJITAOSTA. I really want to teach you there. See you. Bye-bye. See you around with the next episode soon.